The moment we start asking why something bad happens is the moment that things begin to shift and move out of our way. Talking about bad things, like for me, for example, I suffer from something very rare. It's called high expectation. That's why I don't have too many friends or too many people in my circle, because I expect too much out of people and too much out of everything. So, anyways, normally people will run away from their problems when they should be running towards the solution. Once you find that solution, it will stop bothering you. Maybe the reason why you or someone in your family has cancer is because you have the cure to it. You have the answer to it. You have the lock and key to it. Maybe the reason why you have chronic leg pain is because you weren't meant to play the game but to coach it. How about that? Maybe the reason why you don't like your job, your dream job, your career is because it wasn't your purpose. It's not your dream. It's not designed for you. Probably you're thinking, oh man, this is a big problem. This is a huge situation. But really, the solution is very small. And this small solution will be a big impact in your life. I'm telling you, you got to go all in on that problem, that thing that's taking you down. Go in it with a small solution. Trust me. But the best advice is to never take advice. If you're not with it, run with it.